touching that pin. Okay, thank you. You want to come out here and watch this real quick before we go?
Ah, why is it shining like that?
Brixie boy, you flexed up. Damn, BT.
Alright, what's good? Y'all already know, man. Schumacher, we the first ones. Me and Iceman, we dropping the Castle 6400s. I got the Castle 6400 drag motor, I guess, and the Schumacher. My Schumacher mission FT right here. We about to go ahead and let her rip, take the chip. Let's bust her open and see. We running light right now. I ain't got nothing but a CHL body battery in there, 120C 2S. Got the Castle, got the Mamba X. I might have to upgrade that later, but let's go ahead and let her rip, man. Dominic, what you in there doing? You better not be.
Let me see.
You don't seem as fast as you usually do. Ready? There we go. There we go. There we go. Hit on that one right there. We'll record one more and then we go down to the end. Y'all already know you are a bro on the paint. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Best friend or something. I think I turned it down. Got it? Ready?
Hmm? Good. What?
Alright, so as y'all see, I just broke it. My first little crash, I broke it. I ain't do nothing but hit my son in the foot. As long as he alright, we alright. But that's it, man. Stay tuned. First ones with the Castle. I don't know what type of whatever this thing is called, I'm gonna put on there because this is a weird one. So let's go online. I'll go to Schumacher and see if they got a new one. Yeah, sir. Thank you. All right, y'all stay tuned for the next hits on this one. Later.